Today see about match the following pictures. Pictures and name given by then. So image name is identify. So image fourth image given by first image first number, second image second number, third image third number, fourth image fourth number. So 1 2 3 4 numbers for identification method. First second third fourth name given by, fourth picture given by. Correct the match following the pictures. Cricket, crying, rainbow, blood. Right side for pictures for first image, second image, third image, fourth image. Then correct answer choosing for first for cricket. Then correct match the pictures for cricket. Third position is a cricket bat and cricket. This is the correct answer. First name cricket is, third picture is correct answer. Then second name for crying. Correct pictures for first second fourth. So first second third wrong answer, fourth is a correct answer. Crying second name for fourth image. This is the correct answer. Then rainbow is a third names. Correct answer for picture is first blood, so wrong answer. Second is rainbow, so first third fourth is wrong answer. Second is a rainbow, correct answer. So third name picture correct for second picture, rainbow is correct answer. Then blood, so blood is image for first image is a blood, so wrong answer for second third fourth picture is not a blood, so wrong answer. Blood is picture for first, name is fourth blood, then picture for first is a, so correct answer is first image. Then answers for 3 4 2 1. This is the image correct answer for the following question. Thanks for watching video. Any doubt comment our channel, subscribe, like, then comment our channel.